What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura MDX key fob. This key fob was used between 2007 and 2014 and uses a CR1616 battery. If yours has a different number of buttons or maybe one of the other fobs that you might have seen in the YouTube thumbnail, as long as it's the MDX with the flipping internal key, it's the same process. Just go ahead and follow along. All you'll need is one of these batteries that you can get on Amazon. I've put a link in the description to get one for just a couple bucks and it'll come right to your door. You can follow along. And you will need a precision screwdriver to access this, to take out this little screw here. If you don't have something like this, you can get a set of these on Amazon for just a couple bucks. It's really cheap and it comes in handy around the house. I'll put a link in the description so you can get these and follow along. First step is just to remove that screw. And this is a flathead 1.4 millimeter. That's just what I have that fits. And I'm just going to put it in and pull out this screw. Now go ahead and set that to the side once you get it out. Make sure not to lose this. Just put it somewhere safe. And now we can go and we're going to remove this front piece of the key fob. So you're just going to push up kind of on the bottom of the key fob. Just pull that part up and you can see it's starting to come up. And then this is a little bit of a weird mechanism, but it's going to hang on there right here, and you just kind of pull it out, wiggling it. Yeah, once you do it, you'll get a feel for it. It'll click. It's not breaking or anything. That's just how it goes. Just click it out. Set that to the side. This is what we want. You can now push on the face of the battery, or sorry, the buttons on the face of the fob to get into this little inner sanctum that has the battery inside. And now looking at it from the front, on the right side, there's that little groove. We're going to put something in our flathead screwdriver and twist to open it up. So you can use the same one you just used. Mine's a little small. I'm going to put a little bit larger of a flathead screwdriver in there. And once it's secure, twist gently. You just want to be, not like that. Try not to make that mistake. No problem, but you just don't want to damage anything. So just pushing down, but with not too much pressure. Just twist. Oh, it's a little bit hard, but once you're in anyway, you can come under on the side here and just try to get under the lip of the battery. And once you're under there, you can pry it out and it'll pop right out. And this is the CR1616. So go ahead, take a new one. Make sure the positive side with the battery info goes face down, just like this. Push it into place, it will sit securely. Now we can go reassembling this. So you can see when we fold it like so, that will be on top. You don't want to do it like that. That wouldn't work. So just make sure that little battery receiver is on top of the battery. And you can go and click everything back together, making sure that the edges are all good and secure. You can see the light comes on, meaning we're good to go. Put this back in place. And now we can return, kind of pushing in like that, just like that click we heard before, and then push down. And now you're done. You're just going to put this screw back in its place. Can be a little bit tricky. Just bear with me. Just going to put the screw back in its place and you're just going to twist that back up like so. And you're done. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And for a full guide on this key fob or any other Acura key fob, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.